Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. In this video I'll take a look at how to use the Avada Consent Field Element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. The Consent Field Element is a simple form element that allows you to display a consent notice to your users. If we look at the enrollment form on the online school pre-built, we can see a couple of consent field elements at the bottom. Let's have a look at the options. As usual, there is a field label, a field name, and a tooltip text field. Then comes the consent type. Consent from a user can be either implicit or explicit. If you select implicit, there is no checkbox, but instead only a description of what the consent is for. By submitting the form, the user is giving their implicit consent. If you choose checkbox, it also generally makes sense to make the field required, as this ensures the user's consent is explicit, as the form cannot be sent without the box being checked. However, even if it isn't set to required, if the box is not checked, the consent field data won't be sent at all. If it is checked, the value will be 1, which means true. Consent is a legal term, and this information must not be construed as legal advice. Please consult with a lawyer to ensure compliance with your local requirements for consent when using website forms, and read the linked article for a rundown on consent requirements of the GDPR. Okay, back to the element. If you have checkbox selected, the next option will be default state. One of these elements has it as checked, and the other one has it as unchecked. Then comes the required field option, and here it's set to no. After this is the description field, which of course is what displays on the screen, and then there is the usual tab index and CSS class and CSS ID fields. There's also a conditionals tab to add conditional logic to the element. Okay, that's the consent field element, a very useful and often necessary component to a form. And that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos, and if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.